Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today is Tuesday, January 25th, 2022. As you can see here, I do got a lot of shit on my chart, but I just want to show you guys exactly why. These are the levels that I had out yesterday that we were using. That's the weekly support level right here that is now kind of being used as resistance, right? But you could see here we had taken a sell, this small sell was 152 pips, missed out on these right here as well. But one thing I kind of noticed is, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Excuse me, lower low. I kind of feel like there was a small break right here, right? Because price broke above it. And so I think it's possible that we got to see what price does at this IOC right here and see if it maybe gets a push up to the upside. Outside of that, though, I like the way price is respecting this trend right here, right? We had this high, bounce down here, bounce down here. Let's see what it does once it gets back up here, though. A little bit of respect shown right here. So let's see exactly what it does once we get to 6:30 open. But it's something I'd be looking at right here is maybe we could see a push up to the upside. We're having some green day right now. It's a little green, so we'll see exactly what price is doing. Let's go to US30. You know what? I wasn't even on US30. Let's see what it kind of bounced off of yesterday. Fully engulfed with a nice rejection. Where did it hit? Damn, broke. Essentially right here, right? See what this area is, if there's an ILC. Tap that. Let's see if it was the same sort of tap and force right here. No, didn't tap that one. So I'm not too sure. All I know is this support level was definitely broken, right? We're broken through here, but you can see all these levels that were respected over the last few, basically the last few months, right? This goes all the way back to May. But get to a smaller time frame. We have a nice resistance to support area. Head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. So this is actually a good reversal pattern right here. No lie, man. Kind of like it. Something like this, right? Nice reversal pattern. Possible break right here on these lower highs. Get rid of that. I don't need all these. Whoops. Alright, so let's see here. I mean, if we see a possible break right there, I'm not sure though, just because I know it's still respecting this area. Let's go ahead and draw out the fib the right way. And it came all the way back to 100%. Let's see if we do it from right here. Was this an ILC that it's respecting? Let's see. So let's say this ILC at the 79%, showing respect. Right. Yeah, kind of think it could push up from here, but we'll see. Red. Marker. And you see this right here? A lot of rejections, a lot of respect shown. I think it still could come down. You kind of see that trend line right here, right? Something like that. Still rejecting that. This should actually be purple since it's up at the 79. You know, we'll leave it gray like that. A little bit of a support level. Alright. Let's see, that's 15. It's a nice ILC right here. 30-minute. I like this 15-minute start right here, something like this. It's a little bit longer than I like. We'll see if we can narrow it down right here on the 5-minute. I think we could see a bounce today. Really, we have FOMC tomorrow. We see it's in consolidation. Actually, let's take it for what it is. It is in a little bit of consolidation right now, right? Consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO. Consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO. So we could see it. We'll see what it does over the next few minutes. And yeah, we got about 4 minutes until open. Let me get some water, and we'll get back to it. I'm gonna have both of these charts up. We'll see what price is doing, but I don't want to go against the trend. I feel like it has to break these up here, and I do like NAS. I like the way it's sitting. I like the way it's respecting these IOCs, these areas. So we'll see right now. Maybe it comes back up here again, or even up here again. I like to see something like this. I mean, 350 pips, it's fucking huge. Something like that. Or we could see in a 5-minute, what would it look like? Yeah, I like to see it respect this area right here. So let's see what the market gives us. Got a couple minutes right here. Let's see what it does for us. See what it gives us. You know what I mean? Alright, we're about 45 seconds away. So let's see what it gives us. Alright, opens here. MetaTrader 4. Let's see if it makes this bounce right here. Still respecting it. Got a little selling. Let's get it. See what it does. Let's see if it can continue down. It's respecting it jumped out, I think. Well, yeah, got me. I just closed my position. I lost $64. I think let's see. That's a very strong push to the upside. I closed my position, but I kind of want to see if it respects this trend line again, or if it gets up to this area right here that we're talking about. So I took about a 14 pip loss. I think that's, no. I had a 0.04 in there, so whatever that is divided by 64. Get stuck right here, huh? Oh, shit. Got me. Got in a little late, but I'm in there. See where I got in at. Alright, my entry, man, got in a lot lower than I would have liked. I'm in at a 213.70. Oh, I feel like this is moving a little weird. And I'm about to get stopped out at break even. Well, Just got stopped out. Hold on, something's going on here. Why is this shit so slow? Alright, so I put a small buy in. I think it's respecting this 50 EMA a little too much. So I put a buy into here. I'm in at 239. What is going on here? Just got stopped out again. Whoa, something is going on with my MT4 here. I am not sure what's going on. Okay, I think it's... Yeah, I want to say it's going to push up, man. Alright, it's moving up. At least to the next level. I got a buy in there, so let's see what happens, man. If I'm at the top like this, I usually like to move to break even, just because I don't want to see a reversal. And yeah, so let's see. Price is doing some weird shit today, though, I'll tell you that much. But it looks like it's going to push up. We're in about 67.90. Oh, shit. 67.95. I added another position because I'm confident it's going to make it up to this. Oh, let me remove this. Confident it's going to make it up to at least this level. Too much respect shown here, right? Resistance to support, 50 EMA, so that's why we hopped into the trade. And I got in. How many pips am I up? Up about 40. Oh, coming down a little bit. What? Better stop me out at break even. I was up about 40 something pips. If it breaks me out, it breaks me down. And I just got stopped out right now. Let's see if it gives me another entry. Okay, I like that. I'm in there again. Damn, I got in a little bit later than I would have expected or hoped for. think I'm gonna move it to break even again. I'm in at a 68.95. Damn, just got stopped out again. I mean, it looks like it wants to come down from here. I ain't gonna lie, but I don't see exactly what it's respecting right here. I mean, I guess this little tiny thing right here. Let's see. I mean, it's not finishing the strongest. These candles look pretty weak, but I like that it's pushing up, at least. I mean, I still got that 68.95 one. Let's see what it does here. Oh, well, there it goes. Or not. Yeah, it's rejected something. Just got stopped out. Man, it's really playing in these areas, and I think it is coming down now. I just broke even again. Just broke even again. What I want to see is, I want to see price break below here, respect it, and then we could, you know, come back up, show a little bit of respect, and then come back down if it really does. But it's playing a little too much. But we'll see exactly what it does. If it breaks through, I'd like to see it come back and respect this zone again. So let's see what it gives us. Definitely looks like it's coming through. See if it breaks through though, finishes strong. The woman is still showing love and respect. You see how it's still respecting this 50 EMA. Crossed over here. It's trying to cross over on the 5-minute. Right. Crossed over to the downside. Now it's trying to make its way back. But it looks like it's going to sell. Oh yeah, look at it. But it has to finish strong down here. This is just more respect shown. That's, you know, that's not strong enough to say it's coming down. Yeah, I see that. I'm sitting on top still. Let me see if I can enter position once it breaks through. If it breaks through. See, and that's why I didn't want to enter the sell in here or here, because it's still showing respect, right? It's still bouncing off this 50 EMA. Now it's fully engulfing it. I'm down, what, $62 for the day. Let's see if it could finally break through and give us something to reject back up here. You can see exactly what happened at 6:30. It came down, pushed up, came down. You know, it's really fucking with me today, I'll tell you that much. But let's see if it could keep the weight coming down. Maybe reverse on us and show us some love and a re-entry. There's still 33 seconds left, so that, you know, still hasn't broken it completely. Like, I'd like to see it finish, you know, strong. Not like that. Because when it finishes, you know, wicking out, it can still push up to the upside. Just like that. You see that? I think I'm going to enter. I like the way it's rejecting this area, right? This was a strong ILC, a lot of rejections, right? A lot of resistance. I like it. See what it gives us right now. See if we could get a nice entry. Stop loss just above these wicks. Let's see what it gives us. I'm not in there yet, but let's see what it gives us. Dun, dun, dun. Yo. Yeah, no, I think it's going to come down right now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I want to see a break, though. Kind of what it's doing right here on the 1 minute. It's breaking below the 50 EMA. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, on top of it for a minute, but now it's kind of breaking below it. Yeah, yeah, there it is. All right, for sure. All right, later. Yeah, did what we did what we said it would do. I'm in there. I'm actually very, very grateful I got in where I got in. Let's go. Um, I like that it showed respect right here at this level. Let's see if it can. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so yeah, I mean we're in here. Let's see what it gives us. I'm moving my stops to break even. I'm up quite a few pips right now, so that happened quicker than I expected. Um, wow, let's go. Okay, let's see if it can break this ILC right here, this ILC right here. It has to break these. Once it breaks those, then we can really see what it's gonna give us. Something like that. Hasn't broken them yet. Alright, it's still falling. Let's see if it could keep going. I'm going to go ahead and pull some profits right now. Uh, mm. Let's just trust that it's going to do what it needs to do. I don't like that rejection, but let's see if it can continue down. Alright. We're up about 100 pips right now. Thinking about closing my position, but I want to kind of trust this. So I think I'm going to close half of my position right now. It's moving down to the downside. That's strong. Let's trust it. I want to take it down to this level. I'm hoping it can. Let's see what it's stopping at right now, though. Is there something that it's stopping at right here? Sort of a 5 minute. Try not to get excited because I put a little bit bigger of a position in, but a lot of rejections that I don't like. I feel like it has to come down though. Come on. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking go. Man, I pulled my trade. Um, I didn't want to get too greedy. I had a bigger position in there today, and even though I wanted it to come down to this level, I just thought that I'd pull it. I still think it's going to come down to this level. Um, but, you know, save me the stress, save me the funk. I could be done with it today. So, yeah, I basically did what I wanted it to do, but I got faked out on the 1 minute because it was sitting on top of the 50 EMA. So I pulled profits somewhere up here. Somewhere up here. I definitely think it's coming down to this level. I could have held it, but I got to get better at holding it. You know what I mean? It's coming down. I know it's coming down. I've been knowing it's coming down, but I don't want to get greedy. And I had a great day today, so we'll just go ahead and leave it at that. But yeah, I hope you. This is why I try to be a little bit fluid with the charts. This is a nice resistance to support level. We seen that price was pushing up right here, right, and respecting the 50 EMA. Did a whole bunch of bullshit at open, right? Got everybody, got me, broke even, lost money. But I was able to go ahead and, I think this trend line helped me out a lot too. Seeing that it respected this level helped me out a little bit. But the wicks, you see this inverted hammer, and you just got to listen to it. Once you see this inverted hammer candle, then you got to start thinking about a sell-off. And, I wanted to wait for it to push down to the downside and come back up, which I still think it could come back up, respect it, and then come down. But that's why I pulled my trade. I think I got more than 100 pips. Let me tell you exactly how many pips I got. About 121 pips total. So I closed at a pretty opportune time. 121 pips. I think I closed right here at the bottom down there. I closed it at 122.25. What's the difference here? 105. Showing, oh my God, it's going. I could have left it in there for a longer one, but I just didn't want to do it. I had a bigger position in. Probably should have kept the runner going, but it's all good. We caught about 120 pips, and I used a bigger position today. A little bit more confident that this trade was coming down to at least this level, and it did. So it was 0.92. So it's about 4 pips off. I entered at 243.80. I guess it'd be up here. 122 pips. I didn't catch the whole thing. 121. Missed out on like another 30 pips, but it's all good. Able to catch the trade. We're able to make money on it. You never catch the whole trade, and I didn't want to get too greedy and see it come back up, and I would have shot myself in the foot probably. But other than that, you can see a nice tap right there, right? It was a good trade. You got to be fluid with the market. Don't be stuck in your ways, right? I was almost stuck in my ways to think it was a buy, but once I seen that it was respecting this area, I knew I had to jump into the trade because it was showing respect here, and it was giving us that vibe that it's coming down, the inverted hammer, and then you could see the way the 5-minute candle finished. 5-minute candle finished I'm sorry, was it the 3 minute? Yeah, 3 minute double tweezer top, 5 minute double tweezer top, fully engulfed candle. So you just got to listen to what the charts are telling you too, right? It's coming down. Got a tap right here at the golden zone by ILC. It could break through there, just being honest. I probably should have kept it a whole lot longer. But I'm a scalper. It is what it is. You know, this is what we were in there for, in that trade for about 5 minutes. On the charts for about, 45 minutes. So that's not bad. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys were able to learn something, with what I was able to do today. And hopefully you took something from this. Johnny, I appreciate you for tuning in, dog. I hope you're able to learn something from this today. And I hope to get a bigger audience soon so we can share this with everybody. My name's Isaac. Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. Go ahead and hit the Instagram page. I'm going to go ahead and post a reel on there about my entry, me taking my profits, all that good stuff, because I heard that's what people want to see. So, again, today is Tuesday, January 25th, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys have a good one, man. Thank you.